Welcome to the WordPress Ultimate Security channel. In this video, we will show you how to set up and use Magic Link login using Ultimate Security and Ultimate Security Pro. Magic Link lets you log in without typing a password. Instead, they get a secure link sent to their email. They click the link and they are logged in right away. But this depends on the security of the user's email. The features shown in this video require both Ultimate Security and Ultimate Security Pro to be active on your WordPress site. We start here on the Ultimate Security dashboard. Let's go to Settings, then Login and Authentication. Here we can see all the login-related tools in one place, and we click on Magic Link. This brings us to the Magic Link settings page. At the top, there is a short explanation of how Magic Link login works. Take some time to read them, and we continue with the settings below. At first, we have the Enable Magic Link option. Let's turn this on. Now, passwordless login is switched on for our site. Next is link expiration time. This controls how long the Magic Link stays valid after it is sent. We open the dropdown and choose 5 minutes for this demonstration video. Now, let's set Enabled for roles. This decides which user roles are allowed to use Magic Link login. If we leave it empty, every role can use it. We open the dropdown and select Administrator, so only administrator accounts can log in this way for now. One thing worth knowing is rate limiting. This sets the maximum number of Magic Link requests one email address can make in an hour. It stops someone from spamming the request form. From here, you can change the number. Below that is IP address verification. If turned on, the Magic Link would only work from the same IP address that requested it. We leave this off for now, but it is a good option if you want an extra layer of protection. Let's continue down to display settings. Here we decide where the Magic Link option shows up for your users. We turn on Show on WordPress Login. This adds a Magic Link option to the default WordPress login page. Then we turn on Show on WooCommerce Login too. This adds the same option to the WooCommerce My Account login form, so your store customers can use it as well. Now we move to email customization. This is where we control what the login email looks like. If we leave these fields blank, the email will be sent using its default template. For now, we put in a custom email subject. Then in email template, we put in a custom message for the email body. These placeholders get replaced automatically with the real details when the email is sent. Just below, there is a shortcode available box. It shows a shortcode that you can paste anywhere on your site to add a Magic Link login form. It also supports optional attributes like redirect, button text, and a custom class in case you want to control how it looks or where it sends the user after login. There is also a security considerations box. For your security, please take a moment to read the information on the screen. Once everything looks good, we click Save Changes. Now let's test this out. We go to the default WordPress login page. Along with the usual username and password fields, we now see a login with Magic Link because we turned that display option on earlier. We click Login with Magic Link. This shows an email address field and a Send Magic Link button. We type in our admin's email address and click Send Magic Link. As we enabled the login only for the administrator role, a message now telling us to check the email for the Magic Link. So let's switch over to the inbox. We see a new email with the exact subject we set earlier. We open it. It greets us by name, gives us the login link, and reminds us that the link expires in 5 minutes, matching what we configured. We copy the Magic Link and try to access it with the link. Since two-factor authentication is already turned on for this admin account, the system now asks for a verification code from our Authenticator app as an extra security step. This shows that Magic Link login works together with other security layers, not around them. We enter the code, and we are logged straight into the WordPress dashboard. Now let's test the WooCommerce side. We go to the My Account page. Under the login form, we now see the same login with Magic Link, since we enabled that option too. We click it, type in our email, and click Send Magic Link again. Switch back and check the inbox, and a new email has arrived with a fresh Magic Link. We open it and copy and paste the link. Just like before, since two-factor authentication is active on this account, we are asked for a verification code. We enter it, and we are logged in. That completes our walkthrough of Magic Link login in Ultimate Security. Download Ultimate Security using the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more WordPress security videos, and we will see you in the next video.